Namaste, everyone. This is Harsha Ramaya, live at 5. So, as I promised, this whole week I have invited a lot of moms, a lot of couples, a lot of parents who are going to talk about the inside story of the COVID 19. So, last week we had one couple, we had three moms, and today is the fourth mom coming on the screen. She happens to be a good friend of mine. We met on the FMC platform, and she happens to be one of the FMC admins of Ahmedabad. That is Kavita. Hi, Kavita.
Hi everyone. Hi Harsha. Thank you for
Hi.
inviting me.
Pleasure. I'm so excited, to invite all the FMC moms one by one on this
Yeah,
platform.
yeah, we all are very excited. It's a great platform, and I watched all the videos, and it's very nice.
Thank you so much, Kavita. So, as you must have heard in the intro itself, I mentioned that we are going to talk about the inside story. So, when I
Yes.
mean the inside story, it's not going to be so bubbly, it's going to be a little honest
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
confession kind of a thing.
Yeah.
So,
So,
Kavita, my first question is let me know something about your husband, about your children in detail.
so basically, me and my husband, we both are from the same domain. So he works in an IT company. He's a director there. So he's like somebody who takes a lot of responsibilities at work. And as a person, he's very supporting. And because we both are doing the same job, so maybe he also understands that the kind of liberty I have to take at times. Like going fly out to some other city to for a meeting, or I have to stay out for my work late. So I get a lot of support from him. It's been 11 years we've married, and one of the these are he's quite feminist in that per se, I can say. So he helped me in the stuff, and we are like equal in most of the parts. He's not very good at cooking, but still he helps me wherever he can. So yeah, that's about it.
Wonderful. So I must say that I really feel a little J about it, because when anyone mentions, that my husband is not good at cooking, but he helps, so मेरा वो अंदर की जो वो ईर्ष्या है ना वो जाग जाती है यार मेरा हस्बैंड ऐसा क्यों नहीं है
Because I same happens with him, but when I do, you have to do this, वो हमारा होता है ना थोड़ा गुस्सा
हाँ
करके
हाँ
इस ट्रेड के बोला है तो करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, I think I'll have to learn that kind of a strategy. I think I fail in doing that, because whenever I tell him, and the best thing my husband can do is go in the kitchen and get a glass of water. That's it. And that
Wow.
also, I have to see that he's not spilling that water. So,
Okay. So, in the same lines, in this COVID, during this COVID, we have this set up assign this task that this is something you will do, this is something I'll do. So this evening coffee every day he has to make. So as soon as it is 4:30 or 5, whether he's in meeting or whether I'm in meeting, he'll quickly go and prepare it. Give it to me. He was telling me that I'll in your meet during this session I'll come in and I'll just serve it to you in front of everyone. So
oh.
मैंने बोला हाँ इतना भी नहीं है ये एक काम करते हो तो उसमें भी इतना वो हाईलाइट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So yeah, it's like
But
divide.
really now again I'm feeling J square. Now I'm really feeling J square because my husband, usko agar chai banane ka bolo Kavita, you see the mess that he makes on the
हाँ,
platform, that
तो
kitchen
इसी
platform.
वजह से तो हम लोग जाने नहीं देते कि अल्टीमेटली देन वी हैव टू क्लीन इट अप. अभी तो वी
Absolutely.
डोंट. सो वो डर के कारण ही कि ठीक है आई डू इट, यू डू दिस इजी स्टफ. So
So,
yeah, as you said, my
wonderful.
kid. So about my kid, he is like 9 years old, and he goes to Shanti Asiatic School, and he's very, you can say, a very hyperactive kid actually, and we have to be very careful in front of him when he speak or behave something because he captures immediately that. So during this COVID time, कुछ bad words बोलना, गुस्सा करना, किसी के साथ फोन पे खराब से बात करना. So we have to be very careful when he is in front of us. So we are now very well behaved parents because we are always around. We can speak a lot of bad words. We can't fight that frequently. Otherwise वो जब स्कूल जाता है तो जो जो हमको कुछ झगड़ा वगड़ा खत्म करना, we argue and complete it because we avoid fighting in front of him. So वो सब एकदम कम हो गया है. So we have become a good
So
people.
hyperactive children का ये एक मैं बोलूँगी, this is a blessing, for all of us, because when we have hyperactive children, they replicate so easily that we have to be very careful in front of them.
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes they pick up the bad things and they enjoy doing it, and there's no way we can stop him. Then
Absolutely.
what I've seen my kid is his action speaks louder than words. So if I tell him no, 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 it's not gonna work. If he sees me doing that, he'll do it. So it was long pending because I'm a working mom, full time working mom, and I never spent so much time with him. Because when he was 5 months old, I started working. My job is like long hours. So I only used to get 1 or 2 hours daily with him. On weekends are fine, but daily I used to. And my in-laws are there who takes care of him actually. उनके साथ ही पला बड़ा ऐसे ही बोल सकते हैं. So now I understand his behavior, some of his habits. After 10 years, I am realizing, okay, इसको ये पसंद है, he's doing this. So that is very enlightening sometimes and exciting.
Absolutely. So I will agree to that point because I also have been a working person. So we have discovered a lot of things, when during this COVID-19. और कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि ये हमारे ही बच्चे हैं, इनको हम जानते नहीं हैं, those kind of qualities have come up.
True. I agree with that. So, yeah, that's about it.
So Kavita, let me put you in a little fix, to answer this question now. So any fight that you remember during this COVID period specifically, because every single day I pose this question to all the guests whom I invite, because I'm
Yeah.
sure कि ये जो 2 ढाई 3 महीने हुए हैं, वो ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि बहुत अच्छे से गुजरे होंगे, झेलना भी पड़ा ही होगा.
Because see what happens, we both remain in the same room, and because we have our office set up like that he sits on this side and I sit on this side, because and the bedroom has become office right now. So but yeah, one of the main fight we had was that when this corona thing started, I didn't step out even for in 60 days. I didn't step out from the home because I wanted to set an example for my kid also, and it wasn't required. Everything was delivered at doorstep. For some of the things, my husband used to go out and bring stuff. So initially, COVID में बाहर जाते थे, you bring stuff and you clean everything, you sanitize everything. So initially I took it very lightly and I thought ये सब करने की क्या जरूरत है? No, it's not required. And we had a huge fight. He explained me, so ये हो सकता है, इससे वो हो सकता है, you are being very careless, and so we had a very bad fight at that time. And then I realized, because it was very hard to accept that I was wrong, but then I think his concern was right, and eventually, when the awareness came out in market and to us, I realized that he is right. So he's very very paranoid about this COVID, and even सामने वाले के यहाँ भी दूध वाला आता है तो he make sure he doesn't touch our door. I very, ठीक है ना, I mean it's too much. So we had a fight on that, but now I'm equally paranoid and I'm on the same page. But yeah, initially I didn't like doing it also. इतना सारा क्या है, way we should live life.
But I liked, Kavita, that you mentioned that it was very difficult to accept that I was wrong, because generally the females.
Every day now एक बार तो मुझे टॉन्ट सुनना ही पड़ता है, कि you were very careless. You were very careless. But then ठीक है, चलो you enjoy, तुम भी मजे ले लो, और क्या.
Wonderful. And I think this paranoid behavior is very contagious also. If one person in the family is paranoid, automatically after a few days, you feel that you are sailing in the same boat.
Because sometimes I think if he is so much paranoid and if he is taking so much care of stuff, then it's my responsibility also to, contribute the same. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. He's doing so much and I am just reversing everything.
Correct. Absolutely. Something about your child, Kavita, because I'm sure that children staying home 24 hours is not a cakewalk at all. And specifically when we have a hyperactive child in our house. So I'm sure you must have lost a lot of weight in that case also, because I can see you slim and trim.
Yeah, I've been skinny all my life. I don't know, there was some curse on me. But so one of the things that my kids I have explained him very nicely. Whenever I'm in a meeting with somebody who's very, when high level meetings are there, so he has this, he thinks that now I am excessive, I can access my father and mother at any time. So he comes in between, pokes me every time, mommy see this, mommy see this, mommy see I have done this. So what I usually do is I give him some assignment and I tell him, you finish this and you call me to see it, but then he beach me bulayega. So just a couple of days back, I was talking to my boss on phone, and boss was angry, and I was, petrified, and something had happened, and we were very in middle of very intense discussion. My kid was poking, mommy, 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 because he wanted to go to potty, but he wanted me to come. Now he is 9 years old, so I got so angry that I shouted, and my boss was like, "Okay, Kavita, let's talk after 5 minutes." So and I realized that that was a very bad behavior actually. So I then apologized to my kid and I said sorry, but you know that I'm talking to my boss. It's very important call. But he said I wanted to go to loo. So what can I do? So this still happens, when I'm in something middle of something. So right now also I've knocked my door. I told him that I'm very important session. So he's assigned
But,
his bed.
but children, they cannot see their moms doing anything. So whenever we are in the middle of any important work, at that time only उनको potty जाना है, उनको सुसु जाना है, उनको दुनिया का दर्द तभी होता है. So it's not with you, Kavita. It's with me also.
Also, because he sees me indulged in anything to which wo poking. So if I want to concentrate and do something, that has become little difficult. But then again, it's fine. I mean, now he's also getting used to it. He knows each and every person from my office because he'll see the call and say, XYZ is calling. Mommy, this your boss is calling. This is calling. Now he knows everyone.
So I think the same thing I have done today, Kavita. Today or every single day at 5 o'clock, I'll have to lock my room. Otherwise, my daughter, who's 6 years old, she's completed 6 and now she's seventh is running. She will come and she wants to say, Mama, with whom are you taking the session? Mama, live at 5 ho gaya. Mama, 1 minute. I'll just see what is happening.
This 1 minute is most irritating. Can't it hold for a minute? But no, 1 minute. So
wonderful.
I'm learning to be a new parent right now with them. This because I've by FMC I've attended a lot of parenting sessions, and one of the things I learned was very important, that when you tell your kid, ye homework hai, you finish it, it's a punishment. Never do that. So your kid gets this mentality that homework karna to punishment hota hai. The small things I take care of, that I don't do that. So right now my kid, he enjoys studying. When I read, he reads with me, and he completes his homework. All of those things he does, very proactively. So
Wonderful.
it's learning to be a good parent every day. It's like that.
But really, I must say, Kavita, that you've been very honest, because in each and every question you have always, taken that part that you've confessed that this was my mistake, and then I apologize with my son, and then, with my husband or whatever. So honesty is very good, Kavita. I know you have to pay a lot of price to be honest.
Yeah, but thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. So, Kavita, my next question is about, again, I'll come back to your husband. Apart from COVID times, who used to bring the groceries at home?
Yeah, it was his job always, because I am very bad at picking up fruits or selecting fruits or groceries. He used to do that. I have never done that, and I also don't take care of any of the money matter, which is very bad. So he takes care of all this stuff, and even so we had this schedule that every Saturday he'll go for a shopping grocery, and sometimes I would also join him, but it was always his job.
So wonderful. So he's mastered that, managing the grocery part. He's mastered that. Wonderful, wonderful. So again, that J3 will come because my husband, as I've mentioned in all the shows, and today also I will mention, you ask something, Bhinda, Tinda, he cannot differentiate. He will bring something else. You ask for 250 grams, he will bring 1 kg. And we always have a fight and no जो क्या जितना बोला है उतना तुम कर क्यों नहीं सकते?
In my case, it's the reverse case, because I would go grocery shopping and I'll buy very useless things, sometimes. So he is very, ये कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ करके आएगी, you know. So vegetables also, I can't pick each and every bhindi and but he does that. He likes doing it, so he does
Wonderful,
it.
wonderful. So nice. तुमको आता है, तुमको अच्छा लगता है, करो.
करो, yeah. उसमें मुझे नहीं अभी जाना, because I completely take care of the cooking part, kitchen part, and I live with my in-laws. So there are a lot of other responsibilities. So this way we have
Absolutely.
decided.
Right. So, Kavita, when we were talking about your son, you mentioned that you attended a lot of webinars. So now let me ask you a few questions on that regard. That how important parental involvement is to upbring a child.
It's 100% required. Parental and this question goes for the kids who doesn't have one parent or both parents. So in that case, I always wonder that what happens to that kid. So I haven't gone there, but 100% involvement of parent is both the parents is very much required, because there are certain things that I have noticed that my kid looks up to me, and there are certain things where he always looks up to his father, you know. So if there is something in sports or you know, this grocery thing or anything like that, he'll always look up to his father. And when it comes to me, usko kuch book read karna, usko kuch curiosity wala question hai. So I am very much interested in astronomy. So uska kuch question hoga to he'll come back to me and ask me. Plus he उसका बोलने का टोन सब कुछ, यू नो, पता ही चल जाता है कि दिस इज हाउ देयर पेरेंट्स might have brought them up. So
Correct.
involvement is, I think it's 100% requirement, and parents has to evolve also. जो जिस तरीके से हमारे पेरेंट ने हमें ग्रो किया था, it's not going to work now, because right now what I try to do is, whenever my kids ask me any question, whether it is absurd, related to sexuality, related to any vulgar words he might have seen in a song, so I'll not react. I'll try to respond. And I remember when I had asked some word to bad words to my mother, she said, "कहाँ से सीखा तुमने? Why are you asking me this? You don't stop watching TV." You know, so that was our parents, all of our parents. You know, they were like, but the kind of parents we are, we try. So I always try and make sure that my kids come back to me and talk to me in any
Correct.
case. So that is the thing. That is
But
the kind
very
of
important thing you mentioned, Kavita, that yes, children look up to us, and about parental involvement, very right example you gave, that children, when they come to us for anything, any sex
yes.
related question or any bad word, whom will they go if we
Oh,
will react? So, evolving parenting is also very, very important at this stage. So, Kavita, thank you so much for this tip, because I think in nutshell, you explained it very beautifully that parenting has to evolve. You cannot, have that same kind of parenting, because we don't
Yeah.
have that same set of children now. Children
Also,
are
yeah.
exposed to a lot of other things. So it is
Who
very important
they are
to
very
reach out
vulnerable.
to their mentality.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
Agree with
Kavita,
that.
my last question before we wrap up today's show, that whenever during COVID or pre-COVID, whenever there is a fight, manata kaun hai, husband wife mein se?
My husband, because I'm very
Now, अगर
जिद्दी.
तुमने husband का नाम दिया, again that J letter will rise.
Because my husband is kind of a person वो bear नहीं कर सकता. If I don't talk to him for one entire day, even if it's my mistake, I will not speak to him.
So lucky.
So then I'll say कि મને ખબર છે મારો વાંક છે, but you shouldn't have talked to me like that. Okay, વાંક તારો છે, but I wouldn't have talked to you like that.
So anytime
Even
તમે
I
મનાવ્યું
have
છે?
gone to him saying sorry, but most of the time it's him.
Wonderful, wonderful, Kavita. So
Yeah.
it was indeed a lovely conversation. A lot of important things you talked today, Kavita, about parenting. Though this was not that kind of a parenting session, but your tips
Yeah.
really will go a long way. Before we wrap up today's show, Kavita, any message for our listeners? Majority our listeners are parents, Kavita.
Yes. So the only right now to all the parents watching is this is the best time actually to spend time with your family, to explore the kind of person you are, which I have explored, and to grow your hobbies, because I have indulged myself in gardening a lot. So which I never did, I never thought about it, but I started liking it and I'm doing it. So this is the best time if you have a really nice family, then I think this is the best time you can spend the time with them. Because right now, even I sit with my in-laws. In 10 years, I would never hit sit with them and talk about their childhood, or what the kind of people they were while they were in college. So this kind of conversation I never had with my in-laws earlier. But now, during this time when we are at home eating together all the time together, so I'm liking it actually, and you should enjoy this time. That is my message.
Wonderful, Kavita. Wonderful. Thank you so much for being on this show. And we really, really thank you very much, Kavita.
Thank you, Asha. It was a pleasure.
Bye bye.